Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a cartwheel tutorial. So let's get into it. If you want your cartwheel to be from beginners to advanced, you're watching the right video. Whatever foot is best for you. To find that out, my writing hand is my right hand. I try my cartwheel with my right hand first, but I didn't feel comfortable with it, so I tried my left leg, and it felt a lot more comfortable. So that's how I found out my good leg. We're going to learn how to start the cartwheel. So if you're still like beginner for your cartwheels and you're just learning them, you're going to arms up, you're going to bend, and you're going to put your hands down, and you're going to hop over. And to make that a bit more harder, I'm going to use these blocks. You can put them down. If you are like beginners, like if you're just learning how to do your cartwheel, you're going to do this. And I'm going to start with one. I'm going to put it down. I'm going to start up. And I'm going to put my hands down on the floor. And you're going to push off, over. If that's too easy, you can use another block. And up, down, and over. If that's too easy, keep putting more blocks on. If you're a little bit more advanced, you can still use the blocks. So instead of going a wee bunny hop, you're going to put your legs a bit more straight. So here and over. If that's too easy, more blocks on, as I've been saying. If you're really advanced and you just want to perfect your cartwheel, you gotta keep your arms straight so that you don't hit your head on the ground when you're bending. And you want to keep your legs nice and tight and squeezed, pointy toes. You want to be in like a starfish, but your hands more together. Now to finish, we're gonna finish it. So you've done the over. You can snap your feet in and land up like this. And land nice hollow. So we're going to put the whole thing all together. Up, hands down, kick over, and land. I'm going to do a nice one, and I'm still going to do my good leg. Up, and cartwheel, and snap in. Here. Present. Now, to know that you're in the right position. So if you're like this, you can't see your feet really well, can you? No. So you want to be kind of like that in your cartwheel. If you can see your feet looking straight, then that means you're not in the right position. So you're gonna go over, I can't see my feet, and land. We're gonna do that again. No feet, and land. I hope this video helped you get your cartwheel really nicely. If you're a beginner, good luck on doing your cartwheel. If you're a little bit more advanced, keep trying. If you're really advanced, try perfect your tight legs, pointed toes, arms straight. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Bye.